Listen up, if you're low on energy, tired all the time, hungry all the time, this video is for you. I had these same issues, didn't understand where it came from, and I tried everything but nothing worked. Once I knew the real reasons behind it and I fixed them, that's when things started to change for me. And today I will show you how you can do it too. So what is insulin resistance? Every time you eat, your body releases insulin. That's the key that unlocks your cells to use food for energy. But if you eat all the time, your body gets flooded with energy and these cells stop listening. So now your insulin goes up, your body stores more fat, your energy crashes, and you feel hungry all the time. And that's insulin resistance. Your body isn't using fuel as it should. And it doesn't just happen to people that are overweight. Actually, almost 50% of all adults have some level of insulin resistance. That's why you can be healthy on paper but still feel miserable and stuck. And these are the warning signs that you should be looking out for. You crash after each and every meal. You wake up tired even after a full night of sleep. You crave sugars or snacks all day. The fat that your body stores is mostly around your belly, and it's impossible for you to go long without eating. If that's you, your body isn't burning fat, it's running completely on sugar. The real cause is simple, it's energy overload. Simply put, your body never gets a break. You can compare it to constantly overcharging your phone, and at some point it will not hold the energy like it used to. That's basically what's happening with your metabolism. You don't need to eat less, you need to eat less often. Once I discovered that I was insulin resistant, I fixed it quickly, and you can do it too by following these 5 steps. Number 1 is walking after each and every meal. 10 to 15 minutes is all it takes. Your muscles will use sugar directly for energy, so no insulin is needed. It's actually the fastest natural way to lower your blood sugar immediately. Number 2 is eating protein and fiber before you consume any carbs. Simply start with eggs, meat, or fish, because it lowers sugar spikes and it keeps your insulin stable. Stop snacking. With each and every bite that you take, even if it's healthy food, you will spike your insulin. Always try to give your body a couple of hours between each and every meal so your insulin will stay stable. Number 4 is sleep and sunlight, because morning light resets your hormones and 7 to 8 hours of sleep improves your insulin sensitivity overnight. And number 5 is fasting. Try to skip your breakfast at least once or twice a week. I personally don't eat breakfast at all, but you don't need to start that drastically in the beginning. It will actually train your body to use fat as an energy source again, and 3 things that will support this effect naturally are cinnamon, magnesium, and apple cider vinegar. Now remember, don't overthink this. It's not about perfection, you just need to stay consistent with these 5 steps. And as you can see yourself, I had major results using these 5 steps. The problem isn't you, the problem is the things that we are used to eat today. Eating a lot of highly processed foods will eventually give you these problems. And the trick is to understand the issue and to fix these problems as soon as possible, so your body can actually heal itself and start using fat as an energy source again. I'm here to support you and to get healthy again. Make sure to download my free 7 habits for weight loss guide down below in the description. It's completely for free, and these 7 habits is actually what transformed my life and what got me back into shape again. Make sure to like and subscribe for weekly videos on proven ways on how to get healthy and how to lose weight. See you next time.